Welcome to all my friends from everywhere in the world. I'm Mohammed and this is China Office. Today I'm going with my friend Omar for an inspection trip to a factory that produces ice flakes making machine. Okay, today is a factory day, yeah? Bao'an district is one of the newly developed districts of Shenzhen. It's a very good place to open a factory. It's very well connected to Guangzhou, less than a 2 hours drive with a moderate traffic.
开始规划路线，前方350米，继续直行，朝 S81方向行驶，进入中间岔路。继续直行，进入中间岔路。
Ice flakes making machines are big machines to produce ice flakes for commercial use, like fishing, for example. The size that our customer ordered produces 3 tons of ice flakes each day. The factory that manufactures the machine for us can manufacture machines with different capacity. The smallest is 500 kg a day, and the biggest can produce up to 30 tons of ice a day. So the most important is that you want to show the customer how to
assemble the machine
and
how to turn it on, how to start the machine,
how to work it to run it, yeah?
how to run the machine.
Okay.
It's here.
When the container of this machine arrives to our customer in Africa, he will not find a problem to assemble it and turn it on. The engine will be installed on the top of the ice container, then he will connect the machine to a power supply.
You need to add one refrigeration system to remain the inside temperature -5. And that is not necessary.
This is necessary for the people who have bigger storage room maybe, and they keep it longer.
They have one reason, because they use a small machine to keep ice making for 1 week. And then they sell the ice in 1 day, weekends, when the fishing people come back. And then they invest a lot of money for the cold room refrigeration system.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, like that.
4, 5. Okay.
I will give you a map. So
There is a map.
yeah, I will give you. I'll give you one map, okay?
Uh-huh.
And then this will teach your customer to assemble this one step by step.
Here must have a space
Yeah, here you should have a window.
window. The other around is not.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. How the machine can know it's summer or winter?
It knows. So in winter, it will run less speed, okay? Especially in the night time when the ambient temperature is down.
Because of the different frequency of electricity for different countries, the factory always must know the destination country of this machine to adjust it in the right way.
Most of the country around the world, they are 400.
400
Yeah,
50 here.
okay? But in Mexico, it's 220 voltage, 60 hertz. And then there's another one, 480. We need to check this one again with customer.
Here is Libya, 220 volt, 400 volts.
So it's lucky you did not lie to me. If you tell me the machine are using in Peru, well, it's a big problem.
The last thing is to connect the machine to a water source and turn it on. Then it will start making ice flakes.
There's the 3-ton ice flake machine, and this quantity is made in 30 minutes. You can see the thickness is 2.2 millimeter, and this room can storage about 1.5 tons in 8 hours.
If you have any inquiry about ice making machines, please send us an email. After the ice machine, in our way back to Guangzhou, we will visit a paper rolls factory to load a container. If you want to have a look how to load a 40-feet container in less than 1 hour, have a look at our next video.